Hey, beautiful people. Hi, very good evening on this Sunday evening. And how are you all doing? And how is the rains? I hope enjoying rains. It's raining everywhere, all over the place. And it's amazing. I am here back after a long time, after the string of classes in Mumbai, and I've had super fun. So here I am today, and what are we going to talk about? Well, I haven't really thought, but one thing that's pinging in my space is that I want to talk about whether you live your life by choice or by chance. Now, that's a very pertinent, very important question that you can ask yourself, whether I live my life by choice or by chance. So, what actually happens when you're living your life by chance? It's always in the Hi Alpa, Hi Shiasta, Hi Shaista. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correct. So when you live your life by chance, you always wait in the aisle. Now let me ask you one question. How does it feel when you are waiting for something? Just imagine, just think of yourself waiting in a waiting room. Waiting room maybe for a train to come, or waiting for a flight to take off, however the flight is delayed. Hi Pintu. So how does it feel? You always, oh my God, what is this happening? I mean, like, why things are not in your control, obviously, right? And you must say, okay, fine. What different choice can I make here? What different choice can I make here? When you're looking for that massive change in your life, you got to be making the choice. When you live your life by chance, you have very minimal or no room to change. Why? Because you are always waiting for the change to come from outside. Now that doesn't happen. Now you can be waiting for, say, a day, a month, a year, a decade. There is no timeline to it. So when you live your life by choice, you actually take steps. You actually take actions rather than waiting for the chance or the opportunity to come. How many times does it happen? Oh, if it is in my destiny, if it is in my fate, it will come. So when you do that, I totally agree. Some part of your life is destiny, but a larger part of your life is based on your choice. And have you known or have you heard, destiny also favors who make the choices, who actually take that action. But if you're totally dependent on what my fate, I will wait and watch what my fate has to show, what my destiny has to show up as. You're purely living your life by chance. So if there is a chance, if something chanced upon, if you chanced upon, you will get something. And that's, say, about 30%. When you make a choice, you have not the control, but the choice itself is the power. It is the arena of power that you step into. You align yourself with the universal consciousness, and then you say, I am making this choice, universe. Universe hears you. Universe perceives your energy. Universe sees that you are you're taking action. You're actually going out and doing something about what you desire to have. When that action-oriented effort, or forget about effort, when action-oriented steps are taken, universe also blesses you. And rather, universe co-creates with you. Because it is never without the universal blessing. Correct? When you are creating something, you're putting all your energy, all your effort into creating something. Just make universe your partner. It will become ease. So here is the first tool which is coming. When you want to manifest something, when you want to create something, when you want something that you desire come to fruition so that it becomes your living reality, use this tool. Universe, what would it take for this, whatever that this is, money, relationship, anything, what would it take for this to show up in my life right here, right now, with total ease? Universe, would you please co-create with me? Universe, would you please partner with me? So when you make universe the partner, universe gets that signal. Universe acknowledges that you are taking the action and you are moving in a certain direction, I will contribute to that. Universe will contribute to that. And then it becomes a co-creation. Correct? So many people don't know how to have their desires fulfilled, how to go about having their desire come to fruition. This is a brilliant way wherein you can make universe your partner. And then, have you seen when you partner with somebody, and here universe is the partner. Universe being the partner, universe doesn't have any judgment about you. Universe doesn't have any judgment about whether you're right, whether you're wrong, whether what you're doing is the right thing or the wrong thing, is the good thing or the bad thing. Universe doesn't have any judgment. So when you make universe the partner, you and universe together co-create that which you desire to have. So include universe and make a choice. Until you make a choice to create something, to take those steps in the direction of what you desire, nothing would show up. So here the pertinent question that you can ask yourself is whether you are living your life, your everyday life, based on choices or chances. You can ask the question whether, universe, please show me, am I living my life based on chances or choices? If you are somebody who says this a lot, जो किस्मत में होगा वो आ जाएगा, जो मेरी किस्मत में होगा वो आ जाएगा. Well, fine. You believe in kismat, that's all right. You know that kismat. However, what steps are you taking? So, जब भी किस्मत के भरोसे आप पूरी तरह से बैठे हो और अपनी तरफ से कुछ भी एक्शन नहीं कर रहे हो, किस्मत कहाँ साथ देगी? किस्मत भी उसका साथ देती है जो एक पहला कदम बढ़ाता है और आगे कदम बढ़ाता जाता है. That is why it is called choice. Your choice is always action based. When you choose something, when you want to manifest something, ask, what steps can I take? What choices can I make? That will allow me to have my desire come to fruition. So here is an interesting thing, because a lot of people I see, oh, if it is meant for me, it will come my way. Well, then you probably are all right with the waiting period. You're probably all right with whatever way it shows up. Yes, it always shows up the way it is meant for your greater good. So, however, you can change things. You can probably conspire with universe. You can co-create with universe and make things move at a faster pace when you make a choice. So please ask yourself whether I am living my life based on choices or chances. You will get a clarity about it, and then if you find yourself, if you catch yourself living your life by chances, which is more often if you say, oh, if it is meant for me, it will come my way. Also observe, does it also, this entire thing that you live by destiny or fate, does it allow you to take action? Because most people don't take action, do not act towards whatever their goal or target is, because they are only waiting based, dependent on destiny and fate. Now that is living by chance. Does it work? Well, it may. Does it necessarily work? Well, we don't know, it may. But choice, you will actually be satisfied when you make a choice, when you take the required action. You will have that inner satisfaction. It's fine, whatever way it shows up, whatever time frame it shows up in, I have made my effort. I have taken the actions required in that direction, which is required to achieve my goal, to achieve my target. Hi Sugandha, so good to have you here. So please question yourself, ask yourself whether you live your life based on chances or choices. When you live your life by choices, you open the gateway of possibilities. There is a floodgate opening of possibilities, and there are many more possibilities coming up. However, when you're living by chance, well, something may show up or may not show up. So when something doesn't show up, how do you be? Do you get irritable? Do you get cranky? And that is the time you need to ask, have I taken the required action? Have I made, likewise, my dear, so good to have you too. Have I taken the required action in the direction? Have I made the choices that will actually move the cogs of the universe towards in that direction of what I desire? So please ask yourself whether you're living your life based on choices or chance. If you're living your life by chance, maybe it's time now to live your life by choices. And the question here you can ask is, what choices can I make? And what action based on my choices can I take to have my desire be a living reality at the speed of space? All right. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for being here on CB2LL. I missed the last live as I was busy in the classes in Mumbai, but so glad to be here, so delighted to be here. So I'm ending this live with this beautiful question, and this question has always worked. Or just ask a simple question, what can I choose? What can I choose? What can I choose? What can I choose should be your walking, talking question throughout the day. Throughout the day. Yes, I mean it, guys. The more you ask this question, what can I choose now? What can I choose now? What can I choose now? It will keep you in the present mode, not going in the past or the future. And then it will bring the things in your perspective crystal clear. And so then you can make the choices based on what you perceive. And especially if you're trying to manifest something. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you next Sunday, 9:30 p.m. CB2LL Consciousness Bites to Live Light. So beautiful. Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much, Sugandha. And thank you for your comment. Mwah. Love you. Bye-bye. you.